So Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques, or what we call as formulas in mathematics, or sutras. Now a definition, now in Vedic mathematics we call it as sutras, which helps to solve our mathematics in easy and faster manner, right? A very simple definition: it is a collection of techniques, sutras, or formulas which helps to solve our mathematics in an easy and a faster manner. So the definition says it all: easy and faster. Now we have 16 sutras, what we call it as formulas, and 13 sub sutras or sub formulas which can be used to solve problems in arithmetic, then algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and your linear equations, binomial equations, polynomial equations, and your organic chemistry. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Correct. So we'll start.
Yes, sir, you can continue.
Now, a very big question arises: why should we learn Vedic mathematics? We already see kids are already under pressure of so many subjects. Our curriculum does not have Vedic mathematics as their part. We don't get anything, any marks for this subject. So why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Don't you feel the same? Don't you have this question in your mind? Yes, Anu? Samreen?
Pardon me,
Shraddha?
sir.
Don't you have this question in your mind?
No, sir.
Why should we learn Vedic mathematics when it is not a part of curriculum, when our kids won't be getting any marks for it? And the kids will think the same way: we already are pressured with so many subjects, why should I learn a new subject?
No, when something is helping them overcome their difficulties, I think they have to learn.
This we need to understand also. Yes, now coming to why Vedic mathematics, why should we learn Vedic mathematics, or why it is important? See, the very first answer to this is it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now today it is race against time. If you just think, now kids are giving examinations of your NTSC or Olympiads, and generally they know each and everything because they have done through in their syllabus, but still they are not able to complete their exam, or still they are not able to complete it. Why? Because time management. Now when we are talking about competitive examinations, we have to manage a time. That is, we have to solve around 100 questions in 120 minutes. That comes out to be around 1 minute for one question. So do you think, is it possible to solve any multiplication or even in addition without any support in 1 minute? So that is the reason. And Vedic mathematics is such a tool, I'll call it as a tool, which increases your speed to 10 to 15 times faster. I'll ask you one question: how many of you can write a table of 89? Yes, Anita,
No,
Madhurima.
sir,
No,
I
sir.
can't.
But this is important. We are becoming, we are going to become a trainer, we are going to become a teacher. And the first, see, the if you today go and ask your children what is the fear in them, so that is mathematics. And if you
Maths.
specifically, if you ask them what in mathematics, so that is fear of
Tables.
tables. Yes or no? How many of you have fear of tables?
Yes,
Yes.
I have.
Okay, Anita has. Madhurima, you know tables?
Yes, something.
Shraddha? So how much time you need, Madhurima, to write a table of 89?
89 cannot.
Cannot. Why?
No.
Shraddha, how much time you need to write a table of 89?
So it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to do
15
all
to
the
20 minutes.
calculations.
Just keep your words with you. Remember your words with you. And after 10-15 minutes, you'll see you will be able to write this table in 10 seconds. So you can compare how much increase in speed within 10-15 minutes. So this is the first reason why we should learn Vedic mathematics, that it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. But again, the second question comes. See, you are going to become a trainer. If you'll say this to anybody, the second question will come back as a bouncer to you from the parents. Why it happens? I don't believe it. Why it happens? What is the scientific reason behind? Because everybody wants now scientific answer. Everybody wants a scientific reason behind anything you speak out. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the reason behind it now?
Techniques are involved in that.
Yes. See, certain things would not be available on Google also, because some things you experience and then you learn. Now, let me tell you these answer. Everywhere you'll find this thing, yes, it increases your speed. But why it increases your speed, nobody knows the answer. Or maybe they have not written it out. Okay. Now, very first reason. How do you write? We write from left to right. How do we read? We read from left to right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt on this?
Yes, sir.
No.
But whenever we are doing mathematical calculations, we are always going the reverse way. That is right to left.
Right to left.
First we solve unit place, then we solve tens place, and then we move to the hundredth place.
100. Sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now this is where
Yes,
our
sir.
brain becomes slow, because our brain has a habit of learning and writing from left to right. Even if you see now, you are sitting in front of you are sitting at your home, there might be a cupboard or something in front of you. If you see that the objects placed on left hand side, you will be able to see first, and then you will be able to see the objects placed on right hand side. This is just in a fraction of seconds, but this is what actually happens. You can observe anytime, or if you go out and see, then also you'll be able to see the things on the left side first and then right hand side. This is how our brain works in stimulation with our eyes. But when we are doing mathematics, it is opposite way, and that is the reason we go slow. So Vedic mathematics, it gives you flexibility. It gives you an option to either calculate from left to right or right to left. And that is the reason speed increases with Vedic mathematics. Let's say I'll give you one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. So the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now I'm moving to left to right. We'll just see this. Second reason. Now, as somebody said earlier also, most of the calculations will be doing in a single step or mentally. Now, when we are doing something mentally, that means we are not using any external object. We are not using any paper, any pen. And this is a reason why our speed goes increase. See, if you all might be having maids at your home. But the day maid is absent, you are able to complete your job much before time. And you often say, she's not there, I have finished the work earlier. Yes or no? Because when you are not dependent on anyone, when things are in your hand, only one thing is responsible, then it is always increase in speed. So this is what happens in Vedic mathematics also. Third reason. Yes, anybody has a doubt?
No, sir.
See, I told you this is a workshop. You can ask me anytime, any questions. You're free to ask me.
Sure, sir.
Shraddha? Any questions, Shraddha? Okay. So
No,
another
sir. No,
reason.
sir.
Another reason for speed to increase, that is, whenever we are doing calculations, we keep some part of the calculation in our mind, that is intellect. So that makes right brain and left brain active. Now, when we already know that people who are more logics oriented, who have logics more, their left brain is active, and people who are more towards arts and similar kinds, their right brain is active. So with Vedic mathematics, both, that means the people who are creative oriented, they do creative things, their right brain is more active. And with Vedic mathematics, our both brains, right as well as left, it becomes active. And that is the reason our speed is increased. Another reason. Now, if I give you a question, 575 into 121, 575 multiplied by 121. So what would be your reaction? Yes, Anu.
So it takes times to calculate.
No. Leave. No. Within seconds, you'll be calculating this. I'm asking, what would be your action? You'll write 576, and below it, you'll write 121, and you'll start performing the calculation. Correct?
Yes,
Nothing
sir.
more than this. But after 15 minutes, you'll see, you'll try to observe numbers. You'll try to visualize the numbers. Now, visualization means you'll try to think that number in your mind. Is this number related to something? Is this number has some reasons behind it? Is it their logic? Is there any logic behind this number? So with Vedic mathematics, you will improve your visual ability, your reasoning skills, and your logics will become strong. And people who have, and these three properties, your visual ability, your reasoning skills, and your logics, they are not helpful only in Vedic mathematics, but it is a life-changing process. Whenever you come across any trouble in your life, you'll first visualize that problem, then you'll find a reason behind that problem, and then you'll apply a proper logic to solve that issue. Right? So Vedic mathematics is a life-changing process. So kids who are doing this, who are practicing it, if you talk to them, you'll find a difference. Okay. Anybody has any doubt now? Somebody is joining. Yes, anyone has? Anita, any questions? Madhurima, any questions? Shraddha, any queries?
No. No, sir.
Great. So have you got a paper and pen ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We'll start. Okay.
Yes.
HP, what is your name, please? I'm able to see only HP. Can I have your name, please? I'll ask him. See, are you able to listen to me? I'm just able to see HP only. I don't, I'm just asking your name. Otherwise, I will not be able to allow you for the class. If you are not able to say your name also, it's very difficult. Okay, people. So let us start with the first topic and we'll start calculations where you'll realize the speed and everything. So the first topic is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So please write down this title because I'll be asking you that also. So the very first question is now 11. If you know, 11 is such a number that if it is multiplied by any digit, the answer will be the same number repeated twice. See, 11 into 1. What does it gives? 1 written 2 times. 11 into 2. What does it gives? 2 written twice. 11 into 9. What does this gives? 9 and 9. So this is a property of 11, such a number. Now, let's start with 2-digit numbers. What would be the result when 23 is multiplied by 11? Yes. Anyone? Yes, Shraddha, what is the
253.
answer? Sorry?
253, sir.
253.
Yes,
So
sir.
how did you get?
253.
You did 23, you did 11, then 23, then 0, then 23, and then you added. So that means you did twice multiplication and the third time you added. Now this much time is not allowed in your competitive examinations. You don't have this much of time. So what is the easiest manner for 11?
10 plus
2,
1.
2 is as it is. The first digit as it is. At second place, we add the two numbers. Or okay, second digit as it is. In between, we add the two digits. That is 2 plus 3. It gives me 5. Now, which is simpler? Which is easy? Yes, Samreen? Let me tell you one more example. $33. So it becomes 3, 6, 3. How many seconds? Yes, Shraddha? Are you getting? Anu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So speak up. Yes, HP, what is your name? Please tell me the name. Otherwise I have to remove you. If a person is not ready to tell the name even, how can we allow them to join the class? Thank you very much then. Okay. Similarly, okay, I'll change the color. 36, if it is 36 into 11. So what is the answer?
396, sir.
396.
Now see the speed. Earlier, would you have been able to do this in these many seconds?
No.
43 into 11.
473.
173.
473.
45.
490.
495.
495.
Yes, Madhurima, Shraddha, Anita, everybody is able to find the answer.
495.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. 495.
Anyone
Yes, sir.
has any doubt now?
No.
63.
693, sir.
How
93.
easy
693, sir.
how easy it is. Now just see you are doing it from left hand side, not right hand side. Okay, not an issue. So what is the biggest? Okay, now before that, now all these numbers, whatever we did, it was not having any carryovers. What would be the answer for 28?
308.
How did you get 308? Yes,
When we
Madhurima,
add
Shraddha.
those two numbers, there's a carryover which will be
Now,
added
yes,
in the
very good.
first number.
Yes, HP. Are you getting? Okay, see, as done earlier, 2 as it is, 8 as it is, and here we add the two numbers. But the problem arises, can any place have two digits? Can two people sit on a one chair? See, we just have to remember
No.
this rule. If you remember this rule, that at one place we'll have only one digit. Now this here we have one digit. Here we have two digits. So we'll remove the second digit and pass it on to the other. So that becomes 308. If we remember this rule, we will be able to do entire Vedic mathematics. Okay. 37. Yes.
407. 407.
407.
So everybody got 407?
Sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
67.
737.
Anybody who has a doubt up till now?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
Nobody has got any doubts?
Sir.
So, what is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99.
Now, can we solve this? What would be the answer?
1089.
Sorry?
1089. 1089.
1089.
Everybody got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, any doubts now in 2-digit numbers? Any number you can think of.
No, sir.
Yes. So from 11 to 99, we have approximately covered all numbers. So let me start for 3-digit numbers now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's take a first 3-digit number, 123. A simple number. Now here what you have to do, 1 as it is, then this pair 1 plus 2. What is the value? 1 plus 2?
3.
3.
Yes. And then 2 plus 3. The second
5.
pair 5.
5.
And then 3 as it is. So what is the answer? Can you do
1,
this
3, 5, 3.
on calculator faster than this? The time you'll take to type, you will get the answer mentally. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So please solve. Three, 2, 3. Yes, what is the answer?
3,
should-
5, 5, 3.
3553.
3, 5, 5, 3.
Yes, Samreen.
3,
Shraddha?
5, 5, 3.
3, 5, 5, 3.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So
No.
fast. 3. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. This 2 plus 3 also gives me 5. And 3 at the last. So again, we'll take some with carryovers. 167.
1, 7, 1837.
Correct. See, 1 as it is. 6 plus 1 gives me 7. And 6 plus 7, this gives 13. So 13 ka 3. I'll change this 8 and 7. Anyone has any doubt? Yes, Madhurima, Shraddha, Samreen.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Great. Okay. Let's take a bigger number. Okay, let's take a largest number again. So that we'll move. Yes. What is the answer?
9, 18.
What is the answer?
11909.
1.
No. 10909.
8 at 9 it should be, I suppose. See.
10989, sir.
Yes. 9 as it is. Then you have 18. Here you have again 18. And here you have 9. So if I see 9, 8, 9. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sorry? Anyone has any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, Anita, Shraddha.
No, sir. It's okay. Okay, sir.
So that means you are able to do calculation faster than calculator C. If this is possible, in the meantime, you cannot type because you have to type 5, 9, then multiplication sign, then 11. And before that, you are doing it. So speed has increased or not? A bit. No issues.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So let's take another big number, 4-digit numbers. Okay. See, after this workshop, you'll be getting some homework. And once you'll do homework, then every doubt, every practice would be done. And I'll suggest to do homework today itself, because then you'll be, because right now you'll remember and you can practice. Anyway, along with that, you'll get the notes. So notes, you can, if some doubt is still there, though it is not, won't be there, but still if you find any doubt, you can go through it. Right. Now I have 4 numbers. Again, it is to be multiplied by 11. Now see,
13574.
1, then 1 and 2.
13574.
How easy it is. Now, if you tell this to someone, some of your friend, what is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11, and you say the answer 13574, so they'll think you have become a computer, you have become a calculator. Correct? Yes, anybody who did not get this answer?
You were telling about the notes, like we will be getting the notes explaining these techniques, or
Yes.
homework, some problems.
Yes, it is explained in this technique only. Notes are based on the exercises we are doing now.
Okay.
Just hold on. ये लिख रही है कि नाम, मैं इसे नाम पूछता रहा, क्या है? लक्ष्मी।
ये मेरे को उसका मैसेज आया था, फोन आया इसका, मुझे कि भाई सर ने मुझे रिमूव किया।
मैं नाम 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 पूछ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अननेसेसरी चीजें ऐड थोड़ा करेंगे।
वो कह रहे हैं कि अब अगर
अब भेजो, उसे फोन करके कहो ये करो, कि नाम ही तो पूछा था, आपको पर्सनल मैसेज, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, पर्सनल मैसेज में भी now that person is saying allow me. How can, I was just asking the name without name. Now like Anita was not having a name, I asked her, she replied it's okay. What is harm in this? I don't know, people. Okay, so yes, regarding notes, it is a part of the books that I'll be giving you for all the topics I am explaining. It won't be for the theory I explain, because theory will not be there. And once you'll do it, you'll practice it. You'll practice 100 questions more. So then these concepts would be thorough with you. You will never forget. Right? And coming to further, any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
So you can
No,
try. You can try the biggest
No.
number also. 9. Why? Okay, this time don't try biggest. You'll say, let's try 9897. So if it is to be multiplied by 11, what is the answer? Please give me.
One 108,867, sir.
10.
8, 8, 6, 7.
6, 7.
Others, they got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who has got the different answer? Anybody who got the different answer? Okay, so that means all are correct. All are going on a good speed. So let's come to the 5-digit numbers. Now, this was what I told you. If you have to impress somebody, just ask 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Anybody has any questions? Because now we are coming with a test. So anything you want to ask, you can ask right now. Yes, any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So the first question is, what is the answer?
Three one zero two. Hello.
Yes.
Three 3102, sir.
Yes, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now, how did you do it? Yes, Shraddha. How you did it? Madhurima,
So please explain it.
how you did it, ma'am? That's what I'm asking. You got the answer 3102, na?
Yes, sir.
How you did it? 141 and down 22.
No, sir.
Then,
So first multiply with 11, then multiply by 2.
okay. See, this is 2 into 11. Now,
Yeah.
so that becomes 282. And 11. So now it is very easy. 3102. I'll tell you, so many of you might have done in other manner. That is 141 into 11.
Into 11. Into 1551 into 2.
See, as far as this question is concerned, both are correct. But again, I will say this is better. Why? Because let's say if it was not 22, it was 99. So can you multiply 1551 with 9 easily? Here, 9 with smaller number is easy. So always keep 11 up till last.
Okay.
Because see, both are correct. But if you will keep 11 up till last, you will be able to solve more quickly, more easily. 141 into 9 is easy, but 1551 into 9 is difficult. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Madhurima, did you understand?
Yes.
Shraddha,
Oh,
Samreen,
Sir, please explain it again, please.
I'll explain it. See, 141 into 21, 22. Now the question arises, does the teacher ask you something which he has not taught you? So now your point was you had to visualize, is this number related to something? And some of you could visualize also that yes, it is related to 11. How? It is twice 11. What we learned right now, just before 2 minutes, how to multiply a number with 11. So first we'll convert this. It is 282 and then 11. So 282 means 2 first digit, then 10, and then 2. So what does it gives you? 3102. Yes, Shraddha, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Any doubt still? I can explain you, not an issue. See, whatever doubts you have, you can ask. Whatever doubts you have, you can. Yes, anyone has any doubts now?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Shraddha, please check it. If any doubt is still there, I'll just sort it out, not an issue.
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So that second question is, your test is 576 into 121.
Sir, it's 74096.
Yes, others?
Six nine six nine six.
So this is Anita, 69696.
No, sir.
Madhurima.
So Madhurima is correct, 69696. Yes, Samreen. What happened? You should hurry up now. Shraddha. Lakshmi. I can understand you joined right now. So, but if you can do it, not to worry. The next topic is entirely different. So we'll manage. And you'll be getting the notes for this. So with the help of that, you will be able to understand. Otherwise, you can check the video again.
69996, sir.
Yes, 69696. The answer is how? See, 576 into 11 into 11. So 121 is 11 into 11. So this is now what change has come in between in us. Earlier, our attempt was just this much, 576, and we write down 121 and we started calculating 3 times multiplication and the 4th time addition. But now our entire way of thinking has changed. We visualize that this is 11 and 11. So what is 11 into 576? Yes.
5236. Sorry, 6336.
It is 6, 3,
3,
3,
3,
6,
6.
and into 11. Now it is very easy.
6.
We don't have any multiple number. 6, 9, 6, 9,
6, 9, 6.
How fast we are becoming. So which is faster? Calculating using this method or just by this? Or even calculator, you are going faster than the calculator. The only thing you need is practice of 10-15 questions more. Yes. Anyone has any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Yes, Madhurima? Samreen?
No, sir.
Shraddha?
No, sir.
Anita?
No, sir.
Okay, Madhurima, I think you solved it, but I haven't heard from you. Any doubts left?
No.
Okay, great. So that means, okay. So what was the topic? Which was this topic?
Multiplication by 11 and its multiplies.
Okay, multipliers. Now, where did we did multiplication actually?
So,
Did we perform multiplication anytime?
no, sir.
No.
We were simply adding corresponding digits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is why I call it magical. But we have to do, we were doing something different. And second thing, how were you calculating now? We were calculating from left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Left to right.
So till now, till today, you were doing maths from?
Right to left.
So this is a different way. This is a different approach. This is altogether opposite. And that was the reason your speed was coming. Because you're mentally, see, mentally, if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have to multiply by 11, mentally, I cannot move from right to left. It is always left to right only. Now you got the answer, which I was explaining earlier. Anyone has any doubts now?
Sir.
Yes. Anyone has any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now we did with number starting from double digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, and I multiplied with 11. Now question is, if this becomes 3. Up till now, we have done only double 1. Now it is 3 1. So what changes will come? Any guesses? Yes, Madhurima, any guess?
No.
See, when it was to be multiplied by 11, it was 1353. What is the answer over here? See, you should know. Now, somebody told me, somebody was saying initially that it is a set of tricks. See, trick, it is not a set of tricks actually. It is a complete concept in itself. But we Indians have a habit to find a shortcut from the shortcut. So if there is some road, some shortcut road, we again try to find a more shortcut than that. Now the shortcut is for mathematics is Vedic mathematics, and we try to find more shortcut out of it. And in this process, what we do, we spoil the whole thing. Now people are aware about this, but they never tell you this thing because it is a short trick. Very easy with 11. But what will happen if it is 3 1s, or if it is 4 1s, or if it is 5 1s? You should know both the ways. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. So let me clarify. It is not a short tricks. It is a complete concept in itself. Trick is which is applicable for one particular thing, and the concept is which is applicable all over. So this process is applicable for all the numbers. With 11, it's multiples. Similarly, with 3 1s, with 4 1s, with 5 1s, with 6 1s, anything. Correct? Yes, tell me now.
What should I tell?
Okay, let me explain you. Now, nobody asked me here why we are making pairs. See, that is the reason I find more interest in kids workshop, because they ask so many questions. When we grow up, we restrict ourselves. If I'll ask something, मेरी insult तो नहीं हो जाएगी? I told you initially. See, there is no insult if you ask some question. There is no insult at all. But if you will not clear your doubts, what will you answer when kids would be asking you? Because they can ask anything. They don't have this shyness. They don't have this doubt. What will a teacher think of it? They'll ask you anything. So similarly, now, from now onwards, ask anything, whichever point is coming in your mind. You are free to ask me anything. So this question I was expecting that you should ask, why pairs? Now the answer to this is because we have 2 1s. So that was the reason our maximum approach was, or maximum pairing was double. See now here, 1 as it is. 1 plus 2, it gives me 3. Now, since I have 3 1s, 1, 2, 3, so I can make a triplet also. So triplet means
1,
1,
2, 3, 6.
3. So that gives me 6. Now I have reached my limit. After 3, I cannot move further. So what I do, as usual, leaving the first digit and the last, leaving the other digit also. See the difference. 1 3 5 3, and here 1 3. This 6 is in between. That's why I wrote. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Let's try. Try with some examples. Because if you'll Google or you'll search on Google, everybody would explain you this. But this is not the end. A student can ask you what will happen if 1 is added. This is a trick. If it is learned completely, then it is a concept. We'll do the earlier question we did. 1 4 1 into triple 1. Yes, what is the answer? Please find it out. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me.
One 5 6 5 1.
1.
Yes. Others?
Same, sir. 15651.
Madhurima? Samreen, you got the answer? Anu?
Yes, sir.
Shraddha?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand.
Sorry?
I don't understand.
1 as it is. 1 plus 4. What is the answer, Madhurima?
5.
Now we have three
I-
ones. So we can have one more pair. We can have more combination. That is 1, 3, and 4. 1, 4, and 1. So what is 1, 4 plus 1?
গোটেই কেইটা লৈ পেলাই
Yes, Madhurima, 1 plus 4 plus 1.
6.
Great. Then, as usual, what we do? We start leaving the first digits. So 4 and 1 is
5.
and 1 as it is last.
1.
Now any doubts?
Why it is like this? Like,
Sorry,
It was
come
like-
again.
can you hear me, sir?
If you can be a bit louder, otherwise I'll try.
Now is it louder? You
Yes.
can hear it clearly?
Yes.
Okay, sir. I want to know why is it like this? Like, if 11, 111 is actually not the multiple of 11, right?
It is so. No. This that I have not said this is the topic of multiple of 11. That was up till there only. This
Okay.
is further. See, this multiplication works with number of ones basically, not on
Okay.
11.
Okay. So this will be called, these equations will be called like, what we will be calling them?
See,
they are just,
it is when
numbers
we are
of ones.
multiplying with the number of ones.
Okay.
See,
So it is always
that
same
I have
triple
not
one.
I have not given the heading over here. That I gave because that was the first topic, and that is only what is taught by general people. But see, you should know how changes will come. If you change
Yes,
the
yes,
other
sir.
side numbers, how changes will come, this you should know.
Yes, sir.
So if I would have stopped up till there, you would have not given a thought on this, right?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe, sir. I want to know, like, this is like, it will be always if it is triple one, like single numbers, like 111, if it is multiple times only, or even if you have other digits like 222 or 333, like that. For
See,
those
that
also
will
same
work out.
condition.
222 will work out. See, it will work out with everyone, but the only thing is you will have to do this way, na?
Same number, multiple times can be used with same
Yes.
tricks. Right?
Why
sir?
not?
Okay.
Why not? See, why not? If it is 222, what is that? 2 into 111.
11.
See, if it is 222, it is 2 into 111. So this is separate. This is now, for this it is applicable.
Okay. Thanks.
Got it? Any further doubts? And this can be extended not only, okay, let me ask you one question now. If it is 14 into 111, what is the answer? How will you approach? Yes, Madhurima. Samreen, Shraddha.
One five four. Will it be the right answer, sir?
The answer is 1554, but how? How do we get this answer?
Adding the numbers twice in between numbers, giving it both sides.
Nice.
But I didn't get the number 1554. I just got 154.
That is wrong, absolutely wrong. See, now this is triple digit number. Let us make first it is as a triple so that it will become, you are not confused. Now it is a 3 digit into 3 digit. Now your approach is same. 0, 1, 5, then 5, 4. Anyone has a doubt? Yes, anyone has a doubt on this?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Madhurima?
No.
No, I think everybody has a doubt. Okay. See, why I added 0? Because it has no value. But this will make your calculation simpler. You will not get confused. You will not be carried over. So 0, first digit as it is. Then 1, 0 and 1 makes 1. Then 0, 1 and 4 gives 5. Then again, these two, they also give you 5. And last as it is. So any doubt now? Okay, then
So
solve.
the concept is clear for me.
Very good. 999 into 111.
Zero 918279.
0. Why 0?
110889.
100889.
This is the answer. Others are wrong. If you want, I'll tell you. 9 as it is. 9 plus 9 is 18.
18.
Then 999 is 27. Then again 18. Then 9. So what is this? 9, 8, 8. 20 means 0. And 2 goes there. That becomes 11. So 11, 0, 889. Yes, anyone has a doubt? See, when you don't speak out, then I feel that
No,
you
sir.
are not getting anything either, or either everybody has slept. Yes, Madhurima, is it clear now?
Yes.
Samreen?
I'm just calculating.
Sorry?
Just calculating it from my side, sir. I'm just checking
Okay,
my answer.
no, not an issue. Shraddha?
Sir, I'm also checking my answer. Please give me time.
Okay. Okay, once you have, everybody has done, just let me know so that we'll move to further.
sir, I got the same answer.
Great. See, if you do the same steps, you will never be wrong. Because it is very easy concept. You are just adding corresponding digits, nothing at all.
Done, sir.
Okay. So any doubt up till here? See, this can be used by four ones also. I'll give you one example because I don't want that you should get confused. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 ones. Okay, first 3 ones I'll do. So what is the difference now? First as it is, second this much, then 6. What happens after this? Because now the pair, this is finished, the limit is gone. So now we'll move to these. We'll remove the first and move other. So 5 plus 4 is 9. And then again these two, 7, 4. Any doubt in this? Yes, anybody has a doubt?
No, sir.
Now, if it is 4 ones, what difference will come? I'll solve here only. One as it is, 3 as it is, 6 also as it is. After this, now here I was supposed to have a triplet only. Here you can have a combination of 4 numbers because now I have 4 ones. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10.
10.
Then I'll move to smaller, 9, 7, 4. So see, if you check both these, only difference is this 10 comes between, and 10 will go here. 1, 3, 7,
So
0, 9, 7,
7,
4. Anybody has any doubt now?
No.
Yes, Tanzo, Samreen, Anita, Shraddha,
No, sir.
everything is
I'm
clear?
just calculating and checking how my understanding.
See, again, try to understand. Now, what is the basic eligibility now? Coming to this. See, basic eligibility for Vedic mathematics is just remembering single digit addition of single digit numbers. We are adding only single digit numbers till now. So that is the basic eligibility. Second is tables up till 8. So if you know these two things, entire Vedic mathematics you can do. Let's come back. Again, are you able to see the black screen?
yes, sir.
Okay, so this was our topic, why Vedic mathematics, and we gave the answer that it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. So did you observe this now? That speed changes.
Yes, sir.
So this was what we did, multiplication with 11 added multiples, 37, 67, 267, and we might have changed the numbers. 567 we did. So observations are we are actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. And we are calculating from left to right rather right to left. See this, it was up till double one only. I just taught you triple one because so that your concepts are clear. I taught you 4 times once. so that your concepts are clear that this does not stop at 1-1 only. And even after this class, if you have any doubts, you are most welcome to write on my WhatsApp or any or message. So the second reason behind why should we learn Vedic mathematics? So as we discussed earlier, learning tables, cramming tables is a nightmare for any child. And when I talk to different teachers also, they also said that during their childhood, they face the same problem. Yes or no? Yes, Shraddha, you told.
Yes, sir.
So how many people it was a nightmare? Yes, Madhurima?
Till 20, it was not so difficult, sir. But
So
when we crossed,
that means, Samreen, I am asking today table of 89 and you are saying no. Okay, let us assume you try.
No.
How much time you need to write it?
10 minutes, sir.
Sorry?
10 minutes.
Lakshmi, now this is entirely a different topic. So my question is, how much time you need to write a table of 89? You're a coordinator in a school. Now you might be facing this problem. Parents might be coming to you or students coming to you saying that it's very difficult to cram tables.
Yes, yes, sir. It will take less time comparatively, but we need to understand the trick and practice a lot is
No,
what I am
practice a lot is
understood.
something different. My question is, how much time you need to write a table now?
Comparatively less time.
I'm not getting comparative to whom?
Actually, since beginning I was in there, so I'm trying to understand you, sir.
No, this is a new topic. The new topic is, the point was, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Now, the very first, because we don't have it as a part of our curriculum till today, right? Only if let me make it very clear to you all people. Now, if you are in a teaching profession or if you are linked to any school, as per our new education policy, NEP 2021, this subject would be introduced to the syllabus or to the curriculum of all the boards. It is written in NEP only. Second thing, Rajasthan board, they introduced this syllabus around 3 years back. They have it in from class 3rd onwards up till 10th. For Haryana, I approached the government of Haryana and then my project was sanctioned and I got the approval on 10th of March. And I'm training around 18,000 government school teachers, mathematics teachers, this subject, because before implementing in the syllabus, the teachers need to be taught. So if you have seen my page, Facebook page, it is the letter of government of Haryana is available, and might be few pics for training the teachers is also available. So it is, don't think that this subject will not come into our purpose or it will not. You won't believe, by coming year, by the next year, there would be so much demand that we cannot fulfill. Now, if I talk about myself, I am taking batches from morning 6 a.m. to right 11 p.m. So many teachers are getting trained, so many students are getting trained, because everybody knows that this would be the next curriculum. This would be in that. So this was a point we discussed, that first reason is it increases speed. Yes, Lakshmi, I'm talking to you. So speed,
Yes, yes, sir.
we have seen you when we multiplied with 11 and its multiples, and then triple one or 4 times 1, how speed increased. Second
Yes.
point is, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces our burden. If you talk to any child who is of class 3rd, 4th, 5th onwards, they have this fear. See, in India, now I'll tell you a stats. In India, children don't go for a suicide, and anywhere they don't go, definitely. But whenever our results are out, the moment our results are out, we see that suddenly the suicide cases increases. Why? Because and moreover, if you see the details of it, 99.99% are those who are failing in mathematics. So such is a fear of mathematics. So if we all can help and these kids and remove this fear of mathematics, I think we'll change the entire society. Because maths is not tough, it is the way we have presented it. So first topic we'll discuss now, which is a first fear of any child, that is tables. And you will see that within 15 minutes you'll realize tables are the easiest thing. So what our teachers have been teaching up till now, you cram tables every morning, every day, and now within seconds you'll be able to do the tables, right? So this is what is the second advantage, you can say, or second reason why you should learn Vedic mathematics.
Sir,
Yes.
like I'm sorry, but then if you could tell me the simple trick how to make the children learn this tables
I'm
easily,
coming to
sir.
that only. We're starting that only.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
See, again, Lakshmi, I'll be teaching in a professional manner, right? But how, try to understand me, how you have to teach a kid. Then I'll share you another video where I have taught directly to the kids, because then we'll play and teach. It won't be like I'll be teaching you. See, for you, it would be, okay, draw this and do this. But for them, first we'll engage them in a game. What is this? A slight change, a slight introductory part would be different. Got it? I'll share that video, or whenever
Yes,
you'll
sir.
whenever you'll see this video, along with that, see that also, introduction that. So then you'll realize
Okay, sir.
just a slight change, and kids are thorough with it. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
So take out
Okay,
your
sir.
paper and
Thank
pen
you, sir.
again, and we'll start. So first, now tables we divide into two parts. First, we'll write the tables of numbers ending with 9. Can you give me a second? दिशा शर्मा ने ज्वाइन किया क्या? मेरी वो उसको बुलाओ, उसने पैसे कब? So first would be writing tables of numbers ending with 9, like 9, 19, 29, 39, 99, 10, yes, 109. And so on. So it could be, the only condition is at unit place, it should be 9. This is the first type. Then other tables will write. Now see how simple it is. All of us can draw this. Yes. And now we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, So this would be in this direction. We'll start from the rightmost corner. We'll move any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Everybody clear?
No.
Yes, sir.
Now the second step is, now what is the table we are looking for? Let us assume we have to look for first 19. First step would be, this number is written as it is at the first position. Everybody knows if it is a table of 19, so 19 has to come in the beginning. What about other numbers to be filled? So there is a sutra in Vedic mathematics which means ekadikena. That means one more. So what is one more than one? In mathematical it is add one. So 1 plus 1 is?
So
So we'll just add 2 to this. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 plus 2 becomes, now I'll move this way. Opposite direction. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. 7 plus 2 becomes 9. 11, 13, 15, 17. Now what is this? If you observe, what is this? It is a table of 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 3s are 57, 4s are 76, 5s are 95, 6s are 114, 7s are 133, 8s are 152, 171. Yes? Did not understand?
yes, understood.
Okay. For those who did not understand, let me give one more example. Let us start a table of 39. So 3 as it is. Now what is 1 more than 3? It is 4. So we'll add 4 to this and then to the corresponding numbers. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. 31 plus 4 is 35. So this is a table of 39. How many seconds we took? Yes, how many seconds we took? Lakshmi, now is it?
A lesson. Yes, yes, sir. I got it. I got it.
Yes, Samreen,
Got it, sir.
Anita, Madhurima, Shraddha, Disha.
Understood, sir.
So my question was initially 89. Now see 89, how much time it will take. So everybody was 10 minutes, 20 minutes. What is in the number? Nothing. The only thing, it should have 9 at the place. 8. So what is to be added? Plus 9, because 8 plus 1 is 9. So 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 9 is 44. Only thing is, you should remember single digit addition. 53, 62, 71, and here, am I correct? 80. So how much time we took? Not even 10 seconds. Yes, Anita, Shraddha. Everybody got bored or what happened?
No, sir.
I think it's
टेबल वाला क्लियर नहीं हुआ. नहीं सर,
नहीं हुआ?
टेबल्स वाला क्लियर नहीं हुआ.
कौन सा टॉपिक नहीं
It's
क्लियर
not
हुआ?
clear. सर ये जो टेबल्स में जैसे अभी हमने 19 के किया, 19 के बाद 1 1 + 1 2 हमने 2 ऐड किया. 39 के टेबल में एग्जांपल हुआ 3 3 के नेक्स्ट नंबर 4.
हाँ, तो
this मतलब 3 + 4 7.
that is what
Logic.
9 तो पहले ही लिखा गया ना, 9 का पहले ही लिखा हुआ है. सिर्फ उससे पहले whatever number is before 9 we have to consider that only.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
8.
19 अब 8 है, 8 is in before 9. so 8 अब 8 में एक ज्यादा करो तो क्या आएगा? 9. so 9 is to be added every time. so 8
Okay.
plus 9 is
Okay, sir.
8 plus 9 is
17.
now see so 80 अगर आप याद करो 89 see आपने 8 लिखा, 9 तो पहले से ही है. 17 अब लिखा, 8 तो पहले से ही है, so 178. Third, 17 plus 9 is 26. 7 is already there.
Okay.
You can try and add also, but the point is now you have to see this way, and this way. Yes, anybody has a doubt? Shraddha?
Sir,
No, no, sir, I understood.
You understood? Samreen?
understood, sir.
Madhurima?
Understood.
Lakshmi?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Done.
Now it is not only 2-digit numbers. Don't think it is applicable for 2-digit number, because I'll show you how for 3-digit also works. Anita, be attentive, because you should not get confused now. See, if it is, let's take a very simple number first, 129. Now see, we have to see what is before 9. So here it is 12. And what is to be added? 12 plus 1.
1.
That
13.
is 13.
30.
So 12 plus 13 is 25.
25.
25 plus 13 is 38. 38 plus 13 is 51. If I am wrong, please clear me. 64. 77. 90. 103. 116. Is it done? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anita.
No, sir. No, sir, it's clear.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So any 3-digit, any 2-digit, any 5-digit, any digit, you don't have to cram or remember. It is very simple concept itself. Only what we use, single digit additions. Okay. Yes.
When it comes to like 4-digit numbers or something, we have to add only +1 for the remaining 3 digits, right? First 3 digits before 9, whatever we have.
I'll give you an example. Let's say our number is 1119. So first step, it will come the same. Now I have to add 1. That means I have to add 112. So here I'll get 3, 2, 2. Here I'll get 5, 3, 3. Now is it clear? 7, 4, 4. Rest you can fill. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it is clear. But it is okay, 111. That's why it might be easy to write. But is there in a simpler way for them, like a bigger number when we have combinations of 4 and 2? Like if we had like 4,329.
Ma'am, I'm coming to that also.
Okay.
Coming there also. If see, don't underestimate kids. They are, the only thing is we have not taught them good things. If you teach this, they'll understand more easily. Okay, now the question is the second part of the tables. If I asked you to write table of 87 or any other number ending with not ending with 9, how much time you need now? Yes,
More than 10 minutes.
still 10 minutes. At least have confidence now. Like we learned that within 10 seconds, this will also be at least less than a minute.
So
So you
by
are not
Vedic maths
confident
within
about your
seconds we
trainer.
can do,
You
sir.
are not confident on your
Next
trainer up till
please.
now.
So by doing Vedic maths we can do within the seconds, but by the normal method it will take more time.
That's what. Okay. Now see, what is your approach? You see, whenever 87 table comes, you'll do this way. 87, then 87 add. I'll get 4. I'll have one carryover. Then it becomes 174. Then I'll add 87. I'll have 1. Then carry over the 260 something. After this, I am exhausted. Everybody has this problem. Now, a simpler manner. Okay, we'll write us first a very small digit. Let's say it is a 13 table. Now, we should understand that this is at tens position. This is at unit position. And both at unit and tens, we have one digit. And this should be remain. The only thing you have to do, write the table separately. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Any doubt on this? Anyone has a doubt on tables of 1 and 3?
No, sir.
Now see, at this position, we have to just rearrange the numbers. 1 and 3, both are 1 at unit place, 1 and 10. As it is, we write. As it is, we write. Without adding, we got the first 3 digits. Here comes your problem. So 2 is constant. Now, remember what I told you. You cannot have 2 digits. So what I'll do, I'll move 1 here. So 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Now, which is easier? Adding 13 every time or adding just 1 to 4? Here 5 will be constant. This 1 will go there. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 8 would be constant. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 1 is constant. 7 plus 1 becomes 9. 7 plus 2. 4 is constant. 10. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. 9 is constant. It becomes 11. Yes. Is it a rocket science which I taught you now? It was such a simple concept, but we have never been taught in our schools. Yes, Lakshmi, am I right?
Sir,
we have
yes, sir.
every maths teacher, it's not difficult for them. Even I am teaching entire government school teachers of mathematics teachers. I asked, is it something which is difficult to understand? No. But with this help, you need not to cram anything. You need not to make unnecessary complicated calculations which leads to silly mistakes. Here, all silly mistakes are removed because you are just adding single digit numbers. Anybody has a doubt? Okay, let me come back to 87 only. 8 and 7 was given. So only thing is I have to write the table separately. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. And here I wrote 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Here 63. So what happens here also? This as it is. Now 4 is constant. 16 plus 1 is 17. 1 is constant. 2, 4, 26. 8 is constant. 34. 5 is constant. 43. 2 is constant. 52. Yes, anybody has any doubts now?
No.
This table, kids will need time to understand first. 9, even 9, because it's not time they'll take to understand. Basically, you have to solve every table initially of 9 up till 99. So you have this content for tables only. You can take 5 to 6 classes. So that's why I told you, yes, tomorrow, after tomorrow, you can take the classes of tables. So many of my students are taking classes just after this workshop. Just after completion of this workshop, they can start with tables, and we'll support you. Anything you want, we are there. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Madhurima? Shraddha?
No doubt.
Anita?
doubt.
No, sir.
And
Clear.
it is not something which is difficult to understand. You have seen yourself. So that means we were lacking somewhere, that we were not giving proper to our kids, to our children. We are not teaching them with some methods which are easy. And Vedic maths is such a easy subject, you cannot think over. And now coming to your point, like you asked something 4,000 and something 89. See, even 4 digits can be written here. Not an issue. Any number of digits. If you find that difficult, you can go over here. I'm just taking first 4 levels. Rest you will do. This as it is, 4089. Now see, 8 as it is. 1 goes here, it becomes 17. So I'll take one number only, 7. 1 goes here, done. So answer is 8178. Third, 7, 6, 2, and 1, 2. So 1, 2, 2, 6, 7. Then 6, 5, 3, 16. Anybody has got any doubts now?
No.
And if you see, the last number is same, 9876, what we did in that table. So how many of you have starting feeling bored now? Because it's all 2 hours have gone. So sometimes people start feeling bored after that. 2 ghante ho gaye, let's. Yes.
Sir, only to the digits which are
Your
ending
voice,
with 9,
please. I'm not able to listen to you. Bit louder, please.
Okay, so now,
No, ma'am.
can you hear me, sir, now?
If you can be a bit louder, otherwise I'll try.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes. Now it's better.
Louder now?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to ask, sir, like if it is ending with 9, we can use the chart, or else we can just do this, like putting on the
See, with
tables of
9,
each
see,
numbers.
I have done 9 with this also, na? This is for all numbers, but that is only for 9.
That's what I wanted to ask, sir. Only for 9 we can use that chart. Otherwise, this individual calculations can be done. So I'll ask. I have a doubt. Like, why do we need to have these tables for so big numbers?
It is
Where
not tables.
where
It is not tables. It is not tables. You get this question in exams. What is now? You get this multiplication. It is not tables. It is multiplication also.
Okay, multiplication. Yeah, fine. So, but
So,
how it again? The child
yes,
has to by heart it. How it will be simpler way?
let
Because
me come.
however,
Let me commit. So what we do, 9 9s 81. We write here and we do carry over. Yes, 72.
Yes, sir.
Then here we don't do that way. It is place value we work on, and that is like 9 9s are 81. Here only I write 81. Then it is a balancing line. 9 8s are 72. It is again a balancing line. 0. And 9 4s are 36. Now, after this, one thing is your silly mistakes have gone. All the errors which you would have created due to this carryovers, that is gone. When you need to verify, you are very clear what is the answer. Now the point comes, you have to have one digit at one place. Look this as a table only. So 8 goes here, it becomes 80. So 0 only, 8 goes further. Now your chances of silly mistakes are 0. So this is the benefit of Vedic mathematics, just adding this multiplication at the place value and adding a balancing line helped you that there is no error. And other than this also we have very shortcuts for 9.
If it is a 2-digit 9 number, how would we calculate like this in a shortcut way?
Sorry?
If it was a 2-digit number, how would we calculate like in a shortcut
This,
way?
you are saying this?
Not 9 with 9 only, sir. If it is with any other number also.
See that now every topic cannot be learned in a single 2 hours only. That is a part of multiplication. Right now we were doing only tables.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So
okay.
we have
Now 29
we have
we
this
take.
concept. We have this concept. For that I need to teach you entire base method as well as Urdhva Sutra. That is a crisscross multiplication. Very simple again. That is known as for you it is crisscross sutra. Otherwise it is Urdhva Tribhyam Sutra. So that is a third level basically when we talk about books. But it is there.
Okay.
Yes.
If it was 99 only, how would we do it, sir? Then
Ma'am,
like 2 digits, how would we?
that is Urdhva Sutra. That's what I am saying.
Yeah.
There is a different concept. Now, this was related to tables, that is related to multiplication. And you need to understand so many things. We cannot jump upon immediately we get this thing.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir. So just now 4089 into 9 you have given, no, sir. Down, how did you add 36,07281? So the answer
What is
is
9 into 9?
36.
What is 9 into 9?
Yeah, that I have understood, sir. After that, how did you add the final
9
answer
into 8
to the
is,
final?
let me, 9 into 8 is,
72. 72.
9 into 0 is,
0.
9 into 4 is.
36.
Now see, these are balancing line. What, think of a table. What I told you, every place value should have only single digit.
Hmm.
So here we
Yes,
have
sir.
2 digits.
Hmm.
So what I'll do, I'll move the excess digit to other. So 1 I'll keep
Yes.
here. What will it, what is this
Yes.
now? 80.
10.
Correct? If
80.
70 to 8 is added, what becomes? 80.
Hmm. Yes, sir. 8 to 10, 1, 8.
So 0 I'll keep. 8 is further move ahead. I cannot have 2 digits here also, na?
Yes, sir.
So 8
Okay.
will go here. And here I can have any number of digits because it is on the last position. Perfect. Okay, let's come back to the screen. Still, you will solve today, then you will have more queries. So we'll solve it again tomorrow. Are you able to see this black screen now?
Yes, sir.
Great. So this was what we have done. It is the magic box of 3 by 3, and then we did all this. Now this was how we did 76. I did some different. So move accordingly. So just moving the digits and we got the answers. Now why Vedic mathematics? Another reason. It reduces scratch work in mathematics as well as finger counting. Now you saw when you were multiplying bigger numbers also. Now what I did right now together, that 4096 into 9, 4089 into 9, sorry. So that 9 into 9, it is generally we do in scratch work, in rough work. But here everything is there itself. So it reduces your scratch work. Most of the calculations you are doing mentally, so scratch work is reduced. Second thing, why I am emphasizing on finger counting, because kids have the habit of finger counting, and that is also reduced. Moreover, when they are doing abacus, then also they develop a habit of finger counting, which generally parents don't like also, but they are not able to do anything because they are learning abacus. So this reduces your scratch work as well as finger counting. You can see how kids behave like this. Now, this is what is abacus. Now, when you'll now see tomorrow, you'll become a trainer. So the very first question parents would ask you is, which is better, Vedic mathematics or abacus? Yes, you also have this question in your mind,
Yes.
or you are clear on this? Do you have the same question in your minds, or you are clear on this?
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
it.
See, please, if you don't, if you'll not speak, I'll move further, and then you'll have a doubt with you. Okay. So this, why this question would arise, why I'm discussing this part is because parents will come to you and they'll ask this same question. So I won't discuss here which is better or which is not better, but definitely we'll learn what is the difference. Now, abacus is used to carry out major operations of arithmetic. Now, arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The moment we move further to squares, cubes, it becomes difficult, and square root, cube root, it is like you cannot. It takes more time even to understand level 7 levels. Students go, then they learn something out of it. Whereas Vedic mathematics, it has a wider scope. See, today it was a first class. and you learned so many concepts. Would it have been possible with abacus? No, you would have still learning the beads only. So it has a wider scope which can be used for the problem solving in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, trigonometry, and linear equations, simultaneous linear equations, your binomial equations, your polynomial equations, and organic chemistry. So this is the first benefit or first difference. Second is use of tool. So abacus makes use of a tool with beads, and sometimes it is very difficult to carry a tool along with you. You cannot carry it when you're in a classroom or an exam hall. But in Vedic mathematics, all the calculations are done in mind. So it is more effective way of teaching or learning, and it is far easy and faster. Now you today you learned certain things. I'm teaching certain things, so it is much easier to learn also and to teach also. Now, why Vedic mathematics? A very important reason. It helps to increase concentration. Many of you, as a parent, you'll think, why my child does not concentrate, is not able to concentrate. And similarly, parents come to you also asking the same. See, because we don't find the interest in our subjects. The moment our subjects will become interesting, we'll start loving it, we'll start feeling joyous, we'll have positivity. This is what happens with games. Why kids enjoy games? Because they don't have to compete in that. There is nothing like you, they'll have to listen, you have not done this correct or that. Second thing, our teaching methodology is not what should be. Now in Vedic mathematics, we have a concept that is known as digit sum, with the help of which you can find any, you can verify any answers within seconds. So if we know such techniques, if kids are taught such techniques, one thing, they'll excel in all their competitive examinations. 90% of the paper is solved with the help of digit sum only. If you talk about Olympiads, but we have not been taught in our regular mathematics. So when you know, now as a teacher, what do you say when a student is going for exam? You say attempt the best questions first. Yes or no? Yes. Is this what you say?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why do you say this? So that they don't lose the confidence, and first they should attempt the best one. And similarly, if they know whatever they have attempted, or if they know that whatever is being done is correct, they'll have more confidence. So digit sum is one concept with the help of which you never lose confidence. Second thing is, with Vedic mathematics, you become faster. Your mental ability is improving, your skills are improving, your visual ability is improving, your reasoning powers are improving, your logics are becoming strong. So that means you start feeling positive. Now, when you were doing calculations, were you not feeling some positivity? Yes, I am able to do this. Yes, you felt or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
that feeling, that see, if you are if a child start feeling that positivity, definitely he'll start getting interest in the subject, and whenever they'll repeat the same subject, they'll be able to concentrate more. Okay, again, silly mistakes are reduced. Now you saw, I gave you an example of multiplication. So no carryovers are there. Multiple carryovers have been reduced. If you would have done 576 into 125 by a normal maths, so there would have been carryovers. Now it is nowhere. So where do these silly mistakes come? They are generally in carryovers or borrowing. And let me clear you one thing, we don't have a concept of borrow in subtraction in Vedic mathematics. Subtraction is done on a single line basis, that is known as all from 9 and last from 10. Just on this line, this is a sutra, on this line we can do entire subtraction, and thus silly mistakes are reduced. So do you think now any disadvantages? I know you are feeling bored because it's almost 2 hours plus. So don't worry, I'll also stop. Yes. Any disadvantages? Anu, Samreen, Lakshmi, Shraddha,
Thinking of
Madhurima.
No, sir, no.
Yeah, we do have to one is you will not need calculators anymore. If you have done today's work, you have seen you don't need calculators. And second thing, your friends will be jealous of you because your speed has increased. Now you are able to calculate certain things mentally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5, 9. That's all. So this way you'll be able to increase your speed and your friends would always be jealous of you. So now you have some homework. So now you believe why I called Vedic mathematics makes mathematics magical. So just 3 major concepts, and you might have felt that yes, it is something beautiful, it is something magical. Okay, situations we'll deal tomorrow, not an issue. So coming to the homework, I'll just share you the homework in your group. That is not a group, that is a broadcast. So all those who have not saved my number, they kindly save it. Then only they'll be able to receive it. Second, how many of you have a Facebook page? Yes,
I do
Shraddha.
have, sir.
Yes, you need a Facebook page. I'm not saying about Facebook profile, because tomorrow we'll be discussing how to start your classes. So for that, you need a Facebook page. Shraddha, Anu, Lakshmi.
No, sir, I don't have.
In case you don't have, you try it. It is very simple to open. Where if you have a profile, it is written on the side, create a page, because page is your identity, your business identity. It's not your personal identity, it is a business identity. Right. Similarly, you can have an internet page, so internet profile, so that you can post your business on that. Because from tomorrow onwards, you need to advertise. Then only you'll be getting admissions. Right. Okay. So that's all from me today. So I'll just share you homework. Then how did you like this workshop? First day, any things you need to improve, you can write down. And please create a page and an Instagram so that we can work together. Tomorrow we'll learn squares, cubes. Along with that, we'll also learn how to start your own classes. Any doubts now?
No, sir.
No.
Sure. Chalo. Then good evening, everyone, and we'll meet tomorrow at time. I'll just share you
Okay,
homework
sir.
very shortly, so you can see.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.